morning, viewers all over the world. Now we are still on Pythagoras Theorem, and let's solve this question. I saw the question in WAEC past question, even in Cambridge question, and also in Oxford interview question. So let's do it together. The question says, find the slant height of a cone of base radius 10 cm and perpendicular height 20 cm. Solution. Now the question is talking about cone. So the first thing, we are going to draw our cone. So we have our cone today like this. Are we together? And now we join it. So we have our cone. Are we together? Then the question is talking about radius. So which means we are going to have radius. Okay? I haven't done that. It's just, the question is also talking about height. So we draw our height too. Okay? So when you now look at it, we now label it. Find the slant height of a cone of base radius 10 cm. So our base radius now is 10 cm. And also our perpendicular height is what? 20 cm. Are we together? So now, board now asks us to find the slant height. So the slant height, we now say let the slant height equals to L. Are we together now? So which means this is our slant height now. So we represent it with L. And when you look at it now, they just twist the question for us. We are going to apply Pythagoras Theorem, but it has to do with your understanding in mathematics. Let's now solve it. So we now have our L. When you look at this L now, that's our hypotenuse. So we have L squared equals to what? 10 centimeter square plus 20 square centimeter. So now L square equals to 10 centimeter. 10 square means 10 times 10 plus 20 times 20. L square equals to 10 times 10 viewers, it will give us 100 plus 20 times 20, it will also give us 400. So which means L square equals to 100 plus 400. It will give us 500. Are we together? So as we now have it like this, viewers, the next thing we are going to do is we are solving for single L and we have L squared. So which means we are going to take square root of both sides. It will now give us square root of L squared equals to square root of 500. So square root we cancel square. We have ordinary L to be equals to. So now as you can see now, we have square root of 500. And in this case now, when you look at it, 500 is not a perfect square number. So we now break it down, which means now 100 times 5 will give us 500. So it will now be 10 root 5. Are we together now? So that's what the square root of 500 will give us. Okay, so having done that now, the next thing we are now going to find now is what? Square root of 5, which is going to give us 2.236. So equals to 10 into 2.236. Then L equals to, so now we will now multiply them together now. So 10 times 2.236 is going to give us 22 point, so that we approximate everything now, 36 centimeter. So therefore, our L equals to 22 point, you can, if you like, you can make it 0.4. So 0.36 centimeter. So viewers all over the world, that's how to solve by using Pythagoras Theorem. If you have any question, viewers, you can send your question through our comment section. We will solve it together and everybody will learn. If you have learned something here, kindly help us like it, share it, download it.